Hello and welcome to Paper Plays Julie K.
Thanks so much for joining me, and today I have a little tutorial for you guys on how to create this gorgeous shabby chic ornament with a little bit of a vintage feel. And I created this ornament for Debbie Vignola here on YouTube. She has a little challenge going on right now as far as creating an ornament for her tree, and she does like shabby chic, so I did attempt to make her a little shabby chic ornament. And I created it using a couple of doilies, some trims, and some little flat back pieces of bling. I have a little flower here with some little stamens hanging out, and then a little ribbon for her to hang it off of. And again, of course, if you guys are interested in seeing how I constructed this, just continue to watch the video. Otherwise, thanks everybody so much for watching, and if you are interested in participating in Debbie's challenge, make sure you hop on over to her channel. I will leave a link below in the description box. Again, thanks everybody so much for watching, and hopefully you enjoy the little tutorial.
Thanks so much for watching my process tutorial today on how to create a shabby chic ornament. I hope you all have a wonderful day and happy crafting.